Hi guys and welcome back, especially to my first video of December 2020. I hope all of you have been doing well and staying safe during these times of COVID. I'm going to demonstrate how you can create in Google Sheets your own calendar that you may need in a few days. So I think that's one of the good options that you can utilize. So first and foremost, you have to go to your Google Sheets and you will see multiple templates over there on the top, as you can see on the screen. Click on the gallery and you will find a lot of options on this gallery, which is related to education, project management, analytics, etc., etc. And there you can find some calendar options as well. As I can see 2020 calendar appearing here. Just click on that and it will take you through to the tablet itself that is available in Google Sheets. This template is quite handy and you can print it, you can use it, you can utilize it in your everyday um, life. You will find each month down there. If you can see here, each of the months is represented here. For example, we're talking about November and December. So here it is. You can customize your calendar in multiple flavors. Just you have to click on the format and then there is this theme button. Click on the theme and you will be driven on the right hand to multiple themes that you can see. For example, if I select a blue theme, which is actually a very good representation of what I want to see in 2020 calendar. If you want to further customize it, Google Sheets is giving you an option here to customize it. Just click on it and you will find multiple options. You can change the fonts, for example. You can make it a little comic as well. And you can change the color scheme as well and just press done and you will have the theme applied on your calendar. So there are multiple options you can select for the themes for your calendars, and you can use retro theme, you can choose vintage, you can use any other theme that you find here that is suitable for you for your calendar. This can be quite handy, and at the same time, I think it's also very simple and straightforward when it comes down to Google Sheets to just download this template and use it. I think it's very handy in terms of your time efficiency. I hope you enjoyed it, fellas. Do try this and do share it with your friends and colleagues to get advantage of this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, take care of yourself, stay safe. I look forward to speak to you again very soon. Bye bye.